afternoon. I am Akisa Wandera. Let's start off with the anti-IEBC demos, and protests are currently going on across several towns in Nairobi. The demos are ongoing with several leaders leading the protesters to anniversary tours. Currently, we understand they are at Uhuru Park, and Siaya Senator James Orengo is currently making an address. Let's cross over there live and listen.
Uko hapa na mimi hapa kuna babu wenu. Kama babu wenu anaweza kushikwa mara mbili na kuwekwa ndani, babu wenu haogopi. Kama anaweza kushika na kuweka ndani, nyinyi mtaogopa? Mtaogopa? Mudhama ameshikwa mara ngapi? Na Mudhama hajaogopa. Nyinyi mtaogopa? Nyinyi mtaogopa? Na Gladys Wanga pia ameitwa kule kesho. Na tusema sisi hatutwishwi. Sisi tunajua dawa ya Uhuru na dawa ya Ruto. Dawa yao ni wananchi. Wangapi wamekubali hakuna uchaguzi bila mageuzi? Basi tuseme hivi, unajua haya maandamano, hii ni kionjo tu. Ni kionjo tu. Maandamano ndio bado inakuja. Na itakuwa nchi yote Kenya. Kila mahali kutoka Turkana mpaka Banga. Sasa naomba vijana mpo. Wakina mama mpo. Wangapi wamesema hakuna kurudi nyuma nione? Na mnasema ya kwamba tulionekana wazi ni nani aliiba kura. Nani aliiba kura? Nani aliiba kura? Na tutaki azoee kufanya hivyo. Sasa hii itakuwa ya kupona. Kwa vyote tunaona ya kwamba tumeleta mageuzi katika Kenya. Wacha niwatie Senator Mudhama umshie uongozi wote.
Well, a very good afternoon, Akiza. That has been Siaya Senator James Orengo addressing the crowds here at Uhuru Park, where they have convened after making their way through Kenyatta Avenue and, of course, to Moi Avenue and University Way. And as it is, everything has so far been calm. And, of course, let me try see if I can reach Gladys Wanga, as we understand that there are some two people who had actually been injured when the fracas ensued. And now Homa Bay's woman rep Gladys Wanga maybe can talk to us regarding that same issue. Mheshimiwa, we understand that two people were injured in the earlier demonstration. What actually transpired?
There were 3 people who were injured. 2 were injured by a vehicle, registration number KBQ 609G, a Prado, which we believe was just running into demonstrators. And while the rest of the demonstrators ran aside, the 2 people were knocked down by the vehicle and broke various limbs. Another person was shot by a live bullet by police. And all of them have been taken to Kenyatta National Hospital as we speak. We condemn this act completely by the police, use of excessive force by the police.
Have you established the circumstances surrounding the shooting?
No, because we went on with the demonstrations after taking the person to the hospital. But it is very clear that this person was shot by police who actually were completely unprovoked. Because as you can see, none of the demonstrators is armed in any way, has posed any threat to anybody. We are demonstrating peacefully, and we want the police to let us exercise our constitution.
What is their condition as we speak right now?
We have been informed that they began treatment. One of them is critical, the others are recovering, but we will know after the demonstration exactly what condition they are in.
What do we expect after here at Uhuru Park?
We are continuing to demonstrate. We will demonstrate until 6 o'clock this evening. Same to Wednesday, same to Friday.
So it's a wrap for today?
No, this is just the beginning. We are continuing. more people are still joining us, and we will go back and continue with our demonstrations in town. Yeah.
Well, that is Gladys Wanga, Homa Bay woman rep, who's just telling us that what transpired earlier today, where 3 people were injured, 1 with gunshots and 2 others who were knocked over by a speeding vehicle. One of the vehicles, a Prado KBQ 609G, and we are yet to establish the owner or what was the motive behind that, and of course the occupants of that particular vehicle. And as we speak now, we have Johnson Mudhama, who is currently addressing these crowds here at Uhuru Park. Maybe we can just listen in to what the former senator of Machakos County is saying. Remember, he is one of the steering committees, the campaigners of Raila Odinga.
Utamaliza utawala wa kikabila na Raila ataunganisha Wakenya kuwa kitu kimoja. Wangapi wanakubali Raila ataunganisha Wakenya? Jambo la 3, wanajua tukichukua serikali tutafunga waizi.